He looked like he's ready to eat. All right, I don't really like doing this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't really like touching rats with my hands, so I use these tongs. I'll try to get it on camera, me using them. So I use these tongs right here. And we'll just go ahead and deliver him down here. Just like that. And let them do their thing. Right now he's going on the hunt. He's kind of like trying to scent him out. He's trying to find his body language. All right, I'm gonna cover this one up so he doesn't get out. All right, here we go. Everybody. To keep frozen is gross. Cause I don't have an extra freezer and I have to put them in there with my food, so I have to get live. Yeah. But it's kind of cool sometimes to watch. I don't normally record it or watch them eat, but I figured I would record it, document it, put it on my YouTube page. What do you guys think? This is his cage. Water bowl, light. 2 hides, one in the hot, one in the cold. Yeah. That's it right there though, guys. Sorry if this video is too long. I'm gonna try to edit it so it's not longer than 10 minutes, but if it's longer than 10 minutes, just know I failed. Take it easy, fam. Peace. Sorry that the video cut out before she got finished eating, but yeah, that's the end of the video.